Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to insert header only for first page. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Microsoft Word offers ample customization to user to use, which is one of the prime reasons behind its popularity. For instance, adding a header only on the first page of a document. So how to do it if you want to add the header only for your first page? It's so simple. So first you can open your Word. As you can see, here's the document that I have and I want to add the header only for the first page. So you can just tap on insert on here. There is an option header. You can just tap on that. You can just click on that. You can choose the header that you want to use. For the example, which is this. Now, I will show you first when you insert a header on our document on Word. And when we write the header like this, so it will not only for the first page, it will appear on all of the page like this. And what if you want to add that header only for the first page? It's so simple. So you can just tap on different first page. Then before that, I will show you the step from the first. Let's undo it first. So now you can click on insert, choose on header, choose on the header that you want to use. Don't forget to click on different first page on the settings. Now you can just write down your header text. Now let's close the header. As you can see on the second page, there's no text on there. We can close the header and it will turn out like this. As you can see on the second page, the header only appear on first page. It's a simple, right? So that is how to insert header only on first page. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.